Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Google tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to view edit history in Google Docs for 2025. If you've ever wondered how to track changes in a shared document or recover something you accidentally deleted, this feature is a game changer. It's super useful for students, professionals, and anyone collaborating online. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have a document open in Google Docs. This is the 2025 version, so expect some sleek updates for better user experience. To start, click on the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. It's right there, next to Edit and View. Once you click File, scroll down and select Version History. This option lets you peek into the past edits of your document. Now, from the Version History dropdown, choose See Version History. You'll be taken to a sidebar that shows a timeline of all changes made to the doc. It's like a time machine. Each entry displays the date, time, and who made the edits, perfect for team projects. You can click on any version to preview it side by side with the current one. If you spot something you like better, just hit Restore this version to bring it back. Google Docs even lets you name versions or add comments for clarity, which is a new 2025 enhancement. One quick tip. If you're working on a sensitive document, enable Suggesting Mode in the Tools menu to track changes in real time before they're finalized. This integrates seamlessly with version history. And remember, this works on both desktop and mobile apps, so you're covered no matter where you are. There you have it. Viewing and managing edit history in Google Docs is straightforward and powerful. Give it a try on your next project and save yourself from edit disasters. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Google hack. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.